right now. I need you right now to give him the craziest, the warmest welcome, the one and only. When we said Asha is coming.
VIP.
We will show you guys everyone lying. When we told you that Asha is in the building. Right about now. Since I call her, I said into it. I'm doing it right now.
Come.
I'm hitting the body can continue.
Please come.
La Bozoza!
It's okay.